Pennsylvania County Sheriff's Office is looking for Dustin Wade Shaver, white male, age 15 years old, height 5 foot 5 inches, weight 130 pounds, with blue eyes and straight brown hair. The child is believed to be in extreme danger and was last seen at 320 Panel Drive, Burke, Virginia. The child is likely abducted by Denise Michelle Shaver, white female, age 39 years old, height 5 foot 7, weight 223 pounds, with blue eyes and straight brown hair. And Kevin Scott Parrish, white male, age 24 years old, height 5 foot 10 inches, weight 180 pounds, with hazel eyes and blonde hair. They may be traveling in a 1995 green Jeep, Virginia license VAC 5770. Please contact the Pennsylvania County Sheriff's Office at 434-432-7803. Virginia State Police at 1-800-822